Hello everyone! So today I have decided to create this lava molten rock goddess monster thing. I haven't really thought it through, but I did a practice run a couple days ago in the form of body art and it looked okay, but my body art skills aren't really the best. I'm still learning, so it doesn't look as effective as I wanted it to. So for my developed look, I've decided to do it in the form of special effects instead, so try and make it look more 3D and actually look like it's rocks and lava. I got this stuff. It's full as earth, and basically you make it into a paste, you put it all over your face or wherever you want, and it hardens, it cracks. So I was thinking of having the cracks as rocks and then putting lava through it. I have no idea. It's in my head. I haven't done it yet because I ordered this yesterday and it came today. Thank you, Amazon Prime. So we're just gonna see how it goes. So, okay, let's do it. Why did I do that? Okay, so this is the final look. I think I like it. I can't tell if I look like a lava woman goddess monster thingy or if I just look like I'm burnt. But I've given it a go anyway. This is going to be hell to get off. Oh, it's so crusty. Thank you for watching. Let me know what you think. And if you enjoy my content, please consider subscribing and give this video a like.